Hello, welcome to another English in Color episode. Today we're doing the sounds of SCH, sk, sh, and ch. English in Color. This topic was requested by Asan. Thanks, Asan. Hope you're doing well. So, back to the sounds. The most common words you will see with SCH will make the sk sound. And these words are usually of Greek origin, so they have been in the language a long time. There are also some words with SCH that make the sh sound. These are typically borrowed directly from Yiddish or German, and if you are learning English, these words will be less familiar to you. Finally, there's SCH as the ch sound, and this basically never happens, but we'll see an example. So let's get started with the sk sound. So some common examples are school and the related words schoolwork, schoolhouse, preschool, schoolboy, schoolgirl, and you can think of more examples. Next is scholar and scholarly and scholarship, and I think scholastic is related to that. We have scheme and schematic, schizophrenia and schizophrenic, schism and schismatic, schedule, and schooner. Schooner, by the way, is not Greek, but it belongs on the sk page, so that's why it's here. Next up, we have the Yiddish and German words. Yiddish is a dialect of German with a little bit of Hebrew blended in. Here are the most common words we see from there. Schlepp, schlump, schmier, schwitz, schmutz, schmaltz, schmooze, schlub, shtick, schull, and of course, schmuck. There's also borscht, which is featured in Yiddish, but has a Slavic origin. And we have a few words from German, Schnaps, kitsch, and the adjective kitschy. While we're on the topic of Yiddish German, there's one word you might know, Mensch, where the SCH makes the ch sound. But returning to the sh sound, there are two words from Italian that we use in English from time to time. You might see these at a restaurant. The first is maraschino. That's the cherry, the bright red cherry in the sugar syrup. And bruschetta. That's the toast with diced tomato on top. If you are Italian or an obnoxious Italian American, you might say bruschetta with the hand. That's important. And that's basically it for the sounds. So in the UK and in America, we might say a couple words differently. For example, schedule looks like this. Ugh. Ignore it. So in North America, we usually say schedule, and in the UK, they would say schedule. Something to be aware of. This is a not so common word, eschew, and according to my research in the UK, they say eschew, which I've never actually heard. So if there are any British people out there, let me know if you say eschew. And one more small thing, if you have a word that starts with ch, and you put another word that ends with s, or a prefix that ends with s in front of it, the s will make the s sound, and the ch will just stay the same as whatever it is like in the word. So here are just a few examples of that happening. Mischaracterize, discharge, and mischief. The ch stays the same. And that's it. I'll leave a full list of SCH words in the description. If you liked the video, please share it and subscribe and just stuff, you know what to do. And have a good one. See you next time.